back. It's laundry lesson number 2. Okay, so we're gonna go over and sort our dark clothes, put them into our laundry basket to take with us to the laundry room. So dark clothes on one side, yep, and then more dark clothes. Ooh, this is going slow. Okay, ready? White clothes. Now, I'm not going to mix them. I will put them into the same laundry basket because that doesn't matter. But I'm going to take them out and put them in the laundry basket too. Yep. That's what I'm doing. Yep, laundry. Today's laundry. Okay. I'm almost done. Okay, ready? Okay, now I'm going to take 2 Tide Pods, 1 for each load of laundry. Okay? Alright. Okay, now it's time to head to the laundry room. Okay, once we get to the laundry room on the 3rd floor, we're going to look to find an open washing machine. There's some. Okay, the next step is to put our laundry into the washing machine. So I'm going to first put the darks into one washing machine. Yep, put in dark clothes. You can read that. Good job. Yep, all my gym stuff, underwear, browns, blacks, grays, those clothes. And then I'm gonna finish eventually. Okay, now I'm gonna put the white clothes. I'm gonna freeze this. Yep, and the white clothes. I'm going to put the white clothes, underwear, socks, whatever, towels, I'm going to put them into the second washing machine. And I am not going to forget to put in my Tide Pods, 1 into each washing machine. Next, I'll close both of the lids. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the washing machine. I'm going to push normal, and I'm going to push start. Yep. Okay, so if you see 38 minutes, go to your phone now and tell Siri to set your timer for 38 minutes, if you have a phone. Okay, you can also have Alexa set the timer for you for 38 minutes. Alexa, stop timer. So my timer for 34 or 35 minutes just went off. So I'm going to head back down to the laundry room to get my laundry, put it in the dryer. Take 2 fabric softeners. I usually choose Bounce, but you can choose whatever you want. And bring them with you to the laundry room. Next, you're going to arrive at the laundry room and find the 2 washing machines that you were just using. it's time to move all the clothes from the washing machines to the dryer. So I'm going to start with the dark clothes. I'm going to take them out of the first washing machine. I got some sweatpants, I got some sweatshirts, hoodies they like to call them these days, and I'm going to move them into the dryer. And now I'm going to go over to the other washing machine. I'm going to take they're so fresh. I'm going to take the whites, the light colored, and I'm going to move them into the dryer as well. One by one. It's a very manual labor type of job, but you can do it. I'm sure you can. And you'll feel good when you're all done. Don't forget to add the fabric softener. Okay, set the dryer to a normal cycle and then press start. Okay, then go on your phone and tell Siri to set a timer for 45 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes. That's Alexa reminding me that my laundry is done. Alexa, stop timer. Okay, now that the stuff in the dryer is done, let's go get it. Okay, so we made it back to the laundry room on the 3rd floor, and we're going to go find the dryer that we were using. Okay, open up the dryer door and take a whiff of those fresh clothes. So the clothes are done in the dryer. We're going to take them out of the dryer, all of them, the whites, the darks. Take a sniff every now and then. It's not going to kill you. Take them out, pull them out. I hope you're wearing good footwear, as am I. And finally, look, we're going to empty the lint catcher. We're going to reach in and we're going to pull out the lint that was caught there from your load, and you're going to take it out for the next person.